Good day, everyone. We are here at Arellano University Plaridel campus. Meet Miss Melissa Sepi Albaro of BS Accountancy at Arellano University Plaridel campus. So Miss Sepi, what's the secret to becoming a beautiful woman like you?
For me, wala naman po kasi lahat naman tayo is maganda at gwapo. Yun lang po, masasabi ko. God has take a way to become or do beautiful things in life. Yan.
Kindly expound your answer. Why do you think that all of us are beautiful and handsome?
Kasi po, for example na po, ang former president po ng EDOC, si Ate Ann, she's beautiful, di mukhang 30. Pwede makita si Ate Ann. Si Ann, pakita ka daw.
Miss Ann, pakita ka. Pakita ka. So what's the secret to becoming a beautiful woman like you?
Ano lang, maging simple, natural, yun, ganon.
What's the significance of education and training for you?
Significance? What do you mean significance?
What's the importance of education and training for you?
Syempre, pag education tayo, mas makakabigay tayo ng inspiration and more knowledge sa ibang students na, ayun, mas, tawag dito, mas bigyan natin ng inspiration or maging model para doon sa mga students. Ganon.
Ayun. So why did you choose education as your field of study?
Interview na talaga ako dito. Why do I choose this? Actually, hindi ko rin alam kasi dati akala ko lang talaga kakanta lang kami ng Leron-Leron Sintaga, no? Pero sobrang hirap niya pala. Lalo na pagdating sa execution ng lesson, ganon.
Ayun. So what inspired you to become a future teacher?
Yung mga LM teacher ko dati, ganon. Sila naging inspiration ko. Like, nakaka-amaze talaga kung paano matransfer yung knowledge and skill sa mga bata. Yes, yun.
Ayun, that's definitely correct answer, no? So what is the most important lesson you have learned in your training so far?
Maging patient sa lahat ng bagay. Yun yung kasi, kailangan, kailangan mo talaga ng pasensya sa lahat ng bagay. Lalo na sa mga students. Kasi, kapag wala kang ganon, magbibigay ka talaga. Hindi mo matutuloy kung ano yung mo, maging future educator. Yes.
Ayun, that's definitely correct answer, Miss Anyo Nebo. So, tanong natin is, ano yung pinapalabas natin sa bata, yung full potential nila? At bakit ito mahalagang palabasin?
Kasi by that, doon napaprocess yung learning nila. Lahat ng bagay, kailangan ng matutunan nila. Kasi pag walang ganon, paano sila matututo? So, kailangan mo may palabas yung paano sila, yung skills nila, ganon. So, yun yung kailangan na may pakita nila. There.
Ayun, sumunod natin tanong, how do you think teachers can impact students' lives beyond the classroom?
How do you what?
How do you think teachers can impact students' lives beyond the classroom?
Well, of course, you have to be a role model. Yun lang. You have to, paano may pakapakita kung paano mag-solve ng isang problem, maging pasensya, and yun, ganon.
Ayun, that's definitely correct answer. So what qualities do you think make a good, great educator?
Yun yung ulitin, maging mapasensyoso tayo, ganon.
Aside from that, what else?
Pakita mo lang na, ayun, maaga kang pumupunta, and to show up every time, ganon. So, yun sa kailangan talaga.
Ayun, that's definitely correct answer, Miss Anyo Nebo.
Bakit ako na yung naging...
So dito na, sa third year ka, di ba?
Yan.
How has your perspective about teaching changed since you started?
Yung malaking nagbago sa akin. Kasi before, masyado akong mahiyain. Like, yes, totoo. Mahiyain ako. Tapos pag nagsalita ako, like, hindi ako sa public, ganyan. Ngayon, medyo may kapal na ako ng mukha. Yan. So, third year turning fourth year, ayun, yung mga experience, nakakatulong talaga siya as a student.
To become a better
Yeah, to become a better educator. Oo. Yes.
Ayun, sa next question natin, what teaching strategies are you most excited to apply in the future when you become a fourth year student?
When it comes to teaching strategies, kailangan mix-mix yan. Nandyan yung games, nakapokus sa mga bata, and hindi lang laging sa teacher, like student-centered talaga yung focus. Kailangan mapalabas mo sa student na kaya nila. Hindi ko yung parati nagbibigay nung sagot. So, siguro ganun yung pinakagusto kong strategies. Yes.
Ayun, that's definitely correct answer, Miss Anyo Nebo. So, sa sumunod natin tanong,
Ang dami namang ano.
dito. What does this College of Education party mean to you?
Malaki siyang challenge. College of Education.
What does this College of Education party mean to you?
Ayun nga, challenge nga siya sa akin. Parang challenge siya na kailangan mong malagpasan. Pero, nakatulong siya sa akin bilang student. Kasi, nakita ko, marami ako nakasama at nakita ko kung paano mag-handle ng iba't ibang behavior ng tao, ng students.
So, how do you balance academic responsibilities and enjoying events like this?
Ano ulit? How do you balance? Kung ang hirap. Ang hirap i-balance sa totoo lang. Pero, kailangan mong planuhin talaga yung time. Kunwari, umaga pa lang, nandito dapat ako. Or, sa time na to, dapat nandito ako sa klase na to. Yung mga ganun, kailangan may plano ka talaga parate. Hindi lang siya yung basta-basta mo na lang na Kasi pag walang plano, wala din talagang mangyayari. Kailangan mo ng plano. There, the plano. Yes.
Ay, that's definitely correct answer, Miss Ann Anyunebo. So, sumunod natin tanong, if you were to describe your journey in education using one word, what would it be?
My journey? Di ko alam eh.
One word.
Di ko so sabagay siguro brave. Brave sa lahat ng bagay kasi kailangan mo talaga ng pagiging matapang para, ayun, sa journey na to, kailangan mo maging matapang. Kasi kung paghihinaan ka ng loob, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Yeah!
Ay, that's definitely. Who is your model in teaching and why?
Sa totoo lang, siguro yung mga teachers, lahat ng teachers na nag-e-effort na matulungan ng mga students na matuto. Sila yung yung nakikitaan ko ng pagiging role model sa akin. And may mga napapanood din ako na may mga teacher na tinutulungan talaga yung mga students nila. Kahit na yung pagbibigay ng baon na gano'n. So, by that, nagiging inspired ako. Okay.
Okay, sumunod natin tanong. If you could teach any subject without limits, what would it be?
If you could teach any subject? What do you mean? Any subject? Any subject?
What would it be?
Kung meron man, science. Science talaga yung pinakaano ko.
And why?
Because science is full of experiments. Kailangan mo i-try lahat. And then, pag na-try mo, and mapuprove mo, ganon.
And that's definitely correct answer, Miss Anyunebo. So, what kind of teacher do you want to become in the future?
Ano magiging teacher? Siguro sa simula, gusto ko ng yung i-respect ako. Like, i-respect talaga niya ng mga student. And, ayun, yung makakatulong ako talaga sa students kasi doon mo masasabi na good teacher ka talaga. Makikinig sila sa'yo, matuturuan mo sila ng maayos, then, yun, medyo strict siguro ng konti, like that.
Ayun, sa last question natin, Miss Ann, complete this sentence. A true teacher is someone who?
I don't know, is, siguro, yung,
A true teacher is someone who
can look up to, yung, respect talaga ng mga student and magiging inspiration talaga nila. Yun.
Ayun. Sa last additional question natin.
Ano?
What motivation can you give to those future educators to pursue their dreams of becoming a teacher?
Okay, lagi naman daw sinasabi, pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, may dahilan. Yan. Yun talaga yung ko. Yung gusto kong maintindihan nila yung word na yun. Kasi malaking impact talaga yun. May malaking impact yun sa pagiging student or kahit sino man.
Ayun. That's all. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless. Ikaw, ikaw,
Thank you guys!